Just wanted to show everybody how to change out isolators and any of my atomizers. This just happens to be a mini B. All you have to do, grab the post, pull it up, the pin out. You can either use a drill and drill bit, or you can use a screw and a pair of pliers. Isolators will just come out. Take a new isolator. There's a beveled edge on these. Beveled edge goes in first. Just press them in. You can use a pair of pliers, flat. Snap them right in. Take your pin. Push it in with pliers. Push it the rest of the way through. You've replaced an isolator. It's that fast.